Now, let's explore how technology is used in bid management to make the process more efficient. Welcome to Lecture 1.5. In our previous lessons, we've talked about the bid life cycle, the importance of a bid team, and the skills needed for success. Now, let's turn our attention to the tools that can make this entire process more efficient and effective. We live in a digital age, and technology is a powerful enabler in bid management. It helps us streamline tasks, enhance collaboration, and ultimately deliver a higher quality proposal. Technology plays a crucial role in streamlining and enhancing the bid management process. Think about the entire bid lifecycle, from finding opportunities to submitting the final document. There are so many manual tasks that can be automated or made easier with the right tools. For example, without technology, tracking a bid's progress or getting feedback from a reviewer can be a slow, manual process. But with the right technology, these tasks can be done in minutes, allowing you to focus on the strategic parts of the bid. Using technology can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance the overall quality of bid submissions. Query successful. Case study: the global technology firm. Consider a global technology firm that was struggling with inconsistent proposal quality and low win rates. Their bid process was decentralized, relying on emails and shared folders. As a result, they faced frequent delays, version control issues, and a lack of a centralized knowledge base. Recognizing the need for change, they implemented a comprehensive bid management software solution with several key features. A centralized content library was created, housing all pre-approved content, case studies, and templates. Workflow automation was implemented to streamline tasks and approvals, ensuring every bid followed a consistent, defined process. Collaboration tools were integrated, allowing geographically dispersed teams to work on proposals in real time. Analytics and reporting tools were used to track bid performance, win/loss rates, and time spent on bids. The results were transformative. The firm saw a 40% reduction in proposal development time, a 25% increase in their win rate, and a significant improvement in the overall quality and consistency of their proposals. The analytics tool provided valuable insights into where they were winning and losing, which they used to refine their bid strategies. This case study demonstrates how technology, when strategically implemented, can be a powerful enabler for bid management, leading to significant improvements in efficiency, quality, and win rates. Bid management software offers features like opportunity tracking through centralized platforms for identifying and managing potential opportunities. Imagine you're trying to find new bids. Instead of manually searching through dozens of websites and portals, a single platform can automatically track and notify you of new opportunities that match your criteria. This saves a huge amount of time and ensures you never miss a potential bid. AI tools that can extract relevant information, crafting responses, analyzing large amounts of information. AI tools can quickly analyze a massive RFP document and extract all the mandatory requirements in a matter of seconds. They can then help you draft a response to a technical question by pulling from a library of pre-approved content. This drastically reduces the time spent on manual tasks and allows you to focus on the strategy. Content libraries as repositories of pre-approved content that can be easily accessed and customized for new proposals. Think of a content library as a centralized vault for all your best content. When a new bid comes in, you don't have to start from scratch. You can pull from a library of pre-written company overviews, case studies, and team biographies, which you can then customize for the new bid. This ensures consistency and saves a massive amount of time. Workflow automation, streamlining tasks and approvals within the bid process. For a large bid, you might have a workflow that requires a legal review before the final submission. With workflow automation, once the proposal writer submits the document for review, the system automatically sends a notification to the legal team. Once they approve it, the system automatically sends it to the executive team for final approval. This automation streamlines tasks, reduces bottlenecks, and ensures all the necessary approvals are received on time. Collaboration tools to facilitate communication and document sharing among bid team members. And with a single collaboration tool, your entire team, whether they're in the same office or in different countries, can work on the same document in real time. The sales lead can make a change, and the technical lead can see it instantly. This seamless communication and document sharing ensure everyone is on the same page and that you're working from a single source of truth. Compliance management, ensuring adherence to RFP requirements. Some software has built-in compliance management features. For example, A checklist can be created that tracks every single mandatory requirement from the RFP. As the bid team completes each requirement, they can check it off. This ensures that no requirement is missed and that your final proposal is fully compliant, which is a critical part of a winning bid. Using technology can significantly improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance the overall quality of bid submissions. All of these tools, when combined, have a significant impact on the quality of your bid submissions. Think of it this way. Improved efficiency means you have more time to focus on strategic thinking and persuasive writing. Reduced errors means your proposal is more credible and professional. And the combination of the two means that your final submission is of a higher quality, which directly increases your win rate. Technology is a powerful enabler that helps you make a better product in a more efficient way. In conclusion, technology is a powerful enabler in bid management. As we've seen, it's not just about speeding things up. It's about making your process more intelligent, your team more collaborative, and your proposals more compelling. Adopting the right technology can lead to significant improvements in your win rate, your team's productivity, and the overall quality of your bids.